Hello, everybody. Today we're going to show this Ecosmart. Let me see here. $650 lumen. 2700K. I doesn't say the watts. 9 watt. Plastic. LED. R30 light bulbs. Not really BR furry. Furry. I say furry. Furry. Because when I talk today, come on, I want to get more views on my YouTube channel, please. This particular bulb came from one of the can lights in an abandoned pool house in Fort Myers, Florida. It's not a 40 volt light bulb. Now, there is a problem with this bulb, how dirty this is. Yep. The globe is cracked. So I don't know if this bulb works. I have, I believe 10 of those. Brand new Ecosmart when I talk today. 9 watt LED bulbs I gotta make a video of. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, because... So, yeah. Very plastic. I think I take the globe off. I don't know, I can. Taking the globe off. I don't know, I can. I'll show you the LEDs. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's very yellowed. You can see it's very yellow. See this crack. And here are the LEDs. Wow. It's in a triangle or pyramid. Very cool. So how many LEDs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 LEDs. So yeah, let's put the globe back on. I feel like I eat a while it because this light bulb not very salvage anymore. So let's put in my light socket. So yeah, the bulb's in the socket. Let's see it works. 3, 2, I'm gonna do something funny. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that was so bright! Oh my lord. You can see the LEDs in there. I don't know, you can see through the crack. The triangle LEDs. And light the whole kitchen and light the kitchen and the laundry room. It lights up very well. Definitely a 65 watt incandescent bulb. You gotta be careful with the hot wire. Oh my god, that was so bright. Oh my goodness. So yeah. Very cool light bulb. I like... Oh, my headphones charge. Oh my god, it's so bright. Let's glow down. I really hope you enjoy of this Ecosmart 9 watt plastic. Well, that's what it's kind of burl. Probably been using it outside in the soffit light. That's why it's so yellowed. Plastic LED light bulb, which is 9 watts equals a 65 watt incandescent floodlight bulb. I don't have anymore because all been smashed. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.